This is a video demonstration on how to save your files in Photoshop before uploading them in Big Sky. Now, every time that you submit an output, you will save it in two formats. One in PSD or Photoshop document and the other one in JPEG file. To save your work, go to the menu bar, select File, and then select Save As. From here, in the file name, you are going to include your last name and your nickname. So let me zoom in. I will place my cursor behind number 2 and then type my last name. For example, your name is Ariana Grande, and then your nickname. Retain the original file name here. Save as type, PSD, and then press the Save button. So just in case you encounter this dialog box, just press OK. Next, we are going to save our output in JPEG file. So go back to the menu bar, select File tab, and then select Save As. From here, let us change the type. Let me zoom in. So instead of Photoshop, we will select JPEG. So there are 3 JPEG formats and we will choose the first type. And then press the Save button. If you see this dialog box, you will always select the high quality, or you can press 8 and then press OK. Now you have already saved your work in two formats.